So it's currently 10:59, 1 minute until the Supreme drop. Can't wait to see if I can get something at least. See if it updates right at 11. All this is sold out. So everything just went live, and look at everything is basically sold out. This sold out. I wanted the black one. Jersey sold out, black and white. The shorts, I wanted the shorts sold out, black and white. Man, oh man. And then I wanted to get the water bottle, which sold out. Hold on, I can get it. Just said it was on stock. The pen was, I wasn't gonna get the pen, but look at that price. 68 bucks for the pen. I'm not getting no pen for 68 bucks. Go back to new. I wanted to get that water bottle for only 40 bucks for that. So my order is going through right now. Let's see if I get it. Yes, I got it. Right there. That's what I got. I'm Ben, and you're currently watching Ben Mancha. Before we get into the video, we have a giveaway going on. All you gotta do is subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, follow me on Instagram, Ben Mancha _, comment down on the giveaway video. We're giving away 1,000 subscribers, and at 500 subscribers, we're gonna do my sneaker collection video. And if you guys like this, Collection 1 Hype Beast is out now, available right now. Here they are. Link down below. Be sure to copy it. One of the shirts is really limited. The other shirts will be available until drop 2 comes. So let's get into what we picked up from Supreme today. Let me show you guys what I picked up from Supreme right now. So we got Supreme week 3 summer drop. Let's see what I got from week 3. I only picked up one thing. If you haven't saw that video, make sure you go check those out. See what we got. Open this up. This took a little bit to get here. Probably like a week and a half, 2 weeks maybe. Let's open this up. Taking a look. Woo-wee! You see that Supreme bag already? Throw the box to the side. Have Supreme bag right there. Open this up. First off, you got some Supreme stickers. Oh, okay, this is sick. Let me open this up for you guys. Got a goodie bag from Supreme. Plate right here. Next we got the Supreme chair. Then we have this Supreme skull. I like this one a lot. This was from last drop, I believe. And then something I thought was really cool, the Supreme poppy seeds. These are like real flowers that you plant, which is sick. I'm definitely gonna try to plant these. Annual full sun blooms in spring. I don't know what these are, but these are Supreme flowers. Enough with the stickers. Let's talk about what we got. I only picked up one thing, and here it is. Woo! Here it is, man. I don't know if I'm keeping this or not. Supreme. Let's talk about this in full detail. Let me show you guys this one in the dark real quick. So here is a sticker with glow in the dark. Pretty dope. You can see the skulls. Supreme glow in the dark. I'm gonna sell these, so if you want these, hit me up. I'm gonna sell them on eBay for like, these were going for like 30 bucks, so I'm gonna sell these for like 20, get them gone fast. So 20 bucks, and these came for free. These are poppy seeds. These are Supreme. Look at what I got. You already saw what I got from the unboxing, but here we have it right here, the Supreme camp cap in this all black. I really like it. I'm not sure if I'm keeping it or not. If I'm not keeping it, I'm gonna let this go for like 80 bucks. So if you want this, 80 to 90 bucks. For you guys, if you want it, comment below. I'll sell it for 80. If not, I'm gonna sell it on eBay for 90. So let me know. Let's take a look at the details. You got Supreme, the box logo in black. The bill, you got New York, London, and Paris. All 3 Supreme stores. And something I thought was interesting was, hold on real quick, let me get a regular hat. The regular hat, you can see how like there's stitching around the bill, whereas this one right here, the Supreme one, it has no stitching. It's just plain. And this is, I think, a 5 panels. You can throw that one to the side. You got the sticker, 100% authentic. I copped it. I showed you guys the copping it. So camp cap, you got these. This is I don't know what you want to call this, like a regular nylon strap. Just clip it on. And it does say made in the USA, which all Supreme hats are made in the USA. That's how you can tell if it's authentic or not right there. I'm not sure if I'm keeping this or not. Let me know if you want it. 80 bucks shipped, or I'm selling on eBay for 90. I really like it. Quality is there. It's nylon. Really nice quality wise. Really nice overall. Black. I got it for 48 bucks on retail. So if you want it, 80 bucks shipped to you. Let me know in the comments. So I'm selling this on eBay. And yeah, that's basically it. I might do another video with this on how to tell if you have an authentic one or not. So yeah, tune for that video, and we have some videos coming up. Let me show you something we have coming up real soon. These coming out really soon, the Adidas BYW, so stay tuned for that video. And if you haven't copped collection one yet, make sure to go cop that down below, link down and below. Like I said, we have a giveaway going on. All you gotta do is subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, follow me on Instagram, @Mancha_, comment down on the giveaway video. Be giving away at 1,000 subscribers, and at 500 subscribers, we're gonna do my sneaker collection video. Hope you liked the video, and if you did, make sure to like, comment, and of course subscribe. And remember, always create.